Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this amazing festive glam makeup look, and keep on watching. So first of all, I'm going to be using this skin purifying organic serum mask, and I'm going to wait for 15 to 20 minutes. This works wonders on my skin. I just love this mask. It's been for 15 to 20 minutes, and now I'm just going to take it off, and I'm just going to rub it very gently across my face. Okay, now I'm going to be using this Patanjali aloe vera gel as my primer. This works really good for oily skin type. I'm going to just take a little bit of the product and apply it on my face. This really helps my foundation to stick really well and long last. Now before applying foundation, I like to do my brows. So I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild palette, and I'm going to be taking a brown eyeshadow, and I'm going to use this pencil brush, and I'm going to line my eyebrows, just fill in my eyebrows. This gives my brows a fuller look, and it looks really beautiful. You guys can see the difference. Now I'm going to use a concealer, and I'm just going to clean up the edges. I'm applying concealer under my brow only. This gives a more natural look to my brows. I really love this technique. This is a great hack for very snatched eyebrows. And yeah, I did my second brow too, and now I'm gonna prime my eyelid, and for that I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I'm in the shade 10 light, and now I'm gonna be using this flat brush to just blend the product on my eyelid. This gives a very full coverage, and it really helps my eyeshadows pop. This brush is really good, guys. Now I'm going to be using this skin kind of color from my Swiss Beauty palette. This is the HD Professional eyeshadow palette, and this palette has around 40 shades, and this is such a great palette for various users. You can use this for neutral looks, for colorful looks. This just works wonders. Now I'm going to use a little bit a light orange color to define my crease. This gives a more defined look, and I really love this. This is a very subtle eyeshadow, but it really looks good on eyelids. I'm just going to blend my eyeshadow. I'm making sure that there are no harsh edges. Blending is the key, guys. जब तक आपका eyeshadow अच्छे से blend नहीं होता, it won't look good. Now I'm gonna highlight my inner corner and the brow bone. I'm gonna be using a very shimmery eyeshadow for that. You can just see how it makes my eye pop. I really love shimmery eyeshadows, and I'm gonna apply the same eyeshadow to my brow bone. Just look at that, it gives a lifted kind of look. Now I'm gonna be taking the pencil brush, and I'm gonna take a black eyeshadow, and I'm going to create like a liner kind of thing on my eye. I'm sorry guys, I didn't know that I used the mirror to cover up my eyes. Now I'm going to be using this Faces Canada Magnetized Mascara for volumizing, for my volumizing lashes. This is a really great mascara at a very affordable price. You guys can really try it. I really love this mascara. This just works wonders for me. This may not give you the length, but this will give you a lot of volume. And this looks really good. You can apply it also on your lower lashes. Now I'm going to be applying foundation. I like to do my eyes first. So I'm going to be using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is my absolute favorite foundation. This just looks amazing. This gives a natural look, but this kind of gives a full coverage. You can build up the coverage for this. This is medium to full coverage foundation, and I'm going to use a beauty blender to blend my foundation. This just melts into my skin and looks very beautiful. And now I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer to conceal, to brighten my under eyes. I don't have any dark circles, but I use my concealer to brighten. I'm gonna apply it on the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, and my chin, and some of the spots that I like to conceal, and also on my nose. And I'm going to use the same flat brush. This brush is really good, guys. And this, as you guys can see, this gives a very full coverage kind of look. I'm just going to blend it, everything. And I'm going to use a beauty blender to just make everything more soft and more smooth looking. Now I'm going to use a compact powder. This is the Maybelline Fit Me compact powder, and I'm going to take a fluffy brush and I'm just going to powder my face with it. This makes your face look more matte and everything sticks in its place. Now I'm going to contour my face, and for that I'm using this Faces Canada brown lipstick. Guys, if you don't have a contour, then you can use a brown lipstick. It just works the same as a contour. You guys can try it out. I like to use a cream product, because it just melts into my skin. And I like to contour my nose using my hand. It just looks amazing, and it just blends beautifully. As you guys can see, it's just blended beautifully. And if you guys have a smaller forehead, you don't have to, it's your wish if you want to contour your forehead. It's not necessary, but if you have a big forehead, then you can contour your forehead. It would look really great. And now I'm just going to apply a little bit of blush, because you need some colors on your cheeks. I'm going to apply a little bit of blush on my cheek, just a little bit. And I'm just going to highlight all the high points of my face. I'm using a very precision, not a very precision brush, but yeah, it is not like a very fluffy brush for my highlighter, and I'm using a very subtle highlighter for this look. Sometimes, less is more. So yeah, I'm going to highlight my nose, my cupid's bow, and now I'm going to use this lipstick from purple.com. This is a very beautiful shade. This is a red, a very deep red shade. This is a bit drying on the lips, but you can use a lip balm before this lipstick, otherwise it may feel a little bit dry. And now I'm going to use this Darling Isabella liquid lipstick. This is a beautiful pink color. And now I'm going to fix this all with my Swiss Beauty makeup fixer spray. This just makes your makeup more long lasting. This video, and if you did, then give it a huge thumbs up and comment down below. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Annamol. Subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon for more notifications. Stay tuned, stay safe. Bye bye.